Okay, you're welcome to another class of today. We shall be looking at basic science, and our topic for today is still energy. Last week we started with energy, and this week we shall continue with energy. And by the end of our class today, we will have learned the following: one, we will have learned types of energy, and two, how to use energy. Now let's recall from our previous class. We say that energy is the ability to do work, to make things happen, and to cause change. Right? We say energy is the ability to do work, to make things happen, and to cause change. Right? And remember, we said that energy cannot be created, yes, and cannot neither be what destroyed, but can be changed from one form to another, or can be transformed from one form to another. Right? I will mention some forms of energy such as light energy, heat energy, sound energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, and so on and so on. We also talked about where did this energy come from. We talk about natural resources, and the second one, how human have harnessed this natural resources, natural energy to what? To our own usage. So today we'll be looking at types of energy. Now these forms of energy, we categorize them into two types. We have the kinetic energy, which include the solar energy, the wind energy, the hydro energy, and then we also have the potential energy, which includes the chemical energy, thermal energy, nuclear energy, and the rest of them. However, what is this kinetic energy? We say kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Or we say kinetic energy is the energy that is in the movement. For example, a falling object. Maybe you throw an object and it's falling. A object falling, we call it what? Kinetic energy. Another example is when a ball is rolling. Is another example of what? Kinetic energy. You can see the ball is in motion, it keep moving. So that is what? Kinetic energy. But what is potential energy? If kinetic energy is the energy of motion, then what is potential energy? We say that potential energy is the energy stored by an object. Is the energy stored by an object as a result of its position. Potential energy is the energy stored by what? An object as a result of its position. For example, if I keep this sellotape in one location, it is exercising what? Potential energy at this position. Now, when I free my hand, it will fall, which in turn goes to what? Kinetic energy. For example, if I keep a car on top of a hill, it's another example of what? Potential energy. Keeping a ball on top of the table, it will remain there quiet. But whenever you touch it, it starts rolling and it turns to what? Potential energy. Right? Good. Now, but how do we use this energy? We know various forms of energy: solar or light energy, heat energy, electric energy, sound energy, chemical energy, and the rest of them. How do we use them? There are many ways we use them, but here are just a few of them. Okay. Number one, we use this energy to break down and digest food in our bodies. We use this energy to break down and digest food in our bodies. That means that's why whenever you eat, you feel so strong. Your body break down. You need energy to break down this food from our body. Then you now become strong. You have got more energy. Another example is we use this energy to heat in our houses. You use energy to heat to cook. Right? You heat the food for it to cook and be soluble for you to eat. We use energy when we are cold. We use energy like in the room. We bring heat in the room, making the room conducive for us, that cold will not be there for us. For example, like when rain beats me, I will come back, I'll be shivering. But whenever I bring out heat in the room, I become so warm. Another example is we use this energy to power our televisions in the house, to power radios, to power cars, to power our phones. We can also use this energy to boil water. Yeah, that's one of the most simple example. We use energy to boil water. Now you can tell, what kind of energy do we use in boiling water? Yeah, I hear someone say heat. Yes, of course, it's heat energy. And this is where we are going to stop for today. Until our next lesson, we'll look at light energy as our next topic. So try and find out for me, what are the other ways to use energy around you. Until then, see you in the next class. Thank you.